Minerallac is celebrating its 125th year. So it's really kind of amazing and fitting that this project that we started back in fall, talking to Continental Electric, that it kind of culminates and came together with this solar project. I'm Jim Hlavacek, I'm president of Minerallac Company, and this type of project and the innovation, it has us thinking of the next 125 years, not where we've been, but where we're going.
We're very cognizant that as a 125-year company, we need to be very diligent about innovation and not get complacent. We needed to find the right partner, so we found that in Continental, because you got to be able to execute. They did a great job of keeping everything very smooth.
When we first started this project and went in for a permit, the village said we don't even have an ordinance for solar. So we worked with the village board to write an ordinance, get it approved, and that allowed the projects to move forward, and that did go very smooth. We are seeing a huge boom in solar here in the state because of legislation that was passed back in 2017 called the Future Energy Jobs Act. And you're going to be seeing a lot more installations like this across the states.
It's always great to see when an Illinois company is making use of the latest technology in order to ensure their future and going forward in tech advancements, and in this case going green, which is very important in our society today in concerning ourselves with what kind of future we're leaving for our children and our children's children.
Congratulations on this wonderful installation of renewable energy here in Kane County, and I wish you all the best of luck in the future. Thanks again for your invitation.
There will be a tremendous benefit not only to our customers, to our people, but to the community and to the environment.